Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you something that you can do. It'll take about 30 seconds of your time and it could totally eliminate your low back pain and your hip pain, especially if you do a lot of standing during the day. Hey everybody, it's Dr. K or Dr. Kresimir from Gainsborough Family Chiropractic right here in London, Ontario. In order for me to show you this, you're going to have to wait right there because I have to stand up. Don't go anywhere. Be right back. Please don't be alarmed. I still have a head. It's right here. But it's really important that we focus on what's going on with my hips and my low back. Now, like I said, if you're spending a lot of time standing, what you're going to notice is you fall into two categories. And the one category is that you end up shifting your weight a lot like this from side to side. Now, if that happens, it usually, not all the time, but it usually means that you have pain coming from your SI problem or your SI joints. And the other one that's classic is when we catch people shifting their weight and doing things like this back and forth. And if that's the case, I would look to L5-S1. Now, neither of them are good. Here's how we're supposed to stand, and here's how I want you to think. I want you to think of your legs like two poles, like a pole's going straight down, all the way down your legs. And the way that we want to stand is I'm going to pretend like I'm turning this foot out like this and this foot out like this. But if I do that, I'm not going to let the ground actually turn my feet out like this. I want to stand with my toes forward, and I'm going to turn you can see my knees going out, so I'm trying to turn my feet out. The ground's not letting me, and what that does is that actually turns on my glutes or turns on my butt. And what you'll notice is, let's pretend that I'm standing with my butt back like this. If I turn on if I try to turn my feet out and turn on my butt, you'll see how my pelvis stabilizes. It gets in a nice neutral posture, and that makes sure that my back is stable. Now, once my pelvis is stable, what I can do is I can contract my abs, and now I'm in what's called the warrior position. So this is the position that I want to be in if I'm standing all day, or even if I'm moving. Now here's the trick, and here's what you want to master. This is okay. It's going to take you some time to get used to keeping your butt turned on, especially if you don't know how to turn your butt on and your abs on. But the problem is going to happen, and the fun is going to happen when you start trying to move. And if you're not good at moving this way, you start to walk around very silly looking. So take some time to practice. But the tip is this: once your pelvis is neutral, and once your abs are tight, and once everything's nice and tight through here, you'll be able to literally stand like this for hours and hours and hours, and it won't be affecting your back. So go ahead and practice that, and let me know how it goes. All right, that's all you have to do. I know it's not complicated. It's going to take you some time to get the handle of it and get used to it. So here's what I would like you guys to do. If you found this video helpful, please share it. And if you know somebody that can benefit, please go ahead and tag them below in the comments. And then that way, they'll be able to see it and they'll be able to help their low back pain as well. Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk soon.